So the first session of the 2025 March month. So physics entrance, right? So I'll be sharing the screen now. And I want everyone to make sure that, yeah, fine, this is perfect. Give me the answers in my WhatsApp, okay? Whether it is right or wrong. The ratio of molar specific heats of oxygen is what? How many of you are not comfortable with the questions? Kindly put in chat option, not in my WhatsApp number, in the chat option. Okay. If it is difficult for these things, let me know. The ratio of molar specific heat of oxygen is. If it is difficult, just type difficult or no, something like that. So it will come to know. I want everyone to be very active in chat. Those who are more active in chats, they only are getting the more marks. Okay. Difficult. Okay. If one difficulty is there also, I'll do it. Yeah. Then fine. See guys, this is mainly about degrees of freedom. Okay. This I'll be sharing with you also. And in this question is about what? Specific heat of oxygen is what? Correct? Yes. So we can see here, no? For the monoatomic, diatomic, polyatomic and all. Correct? There is a table. Correct? So for diatomic like oxygen, degrees of freedom is 5. That is if I add 3 plus 2. This total 5 is there, correct? And then the gamma value is what? 1.4. For what? Oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, chlorine. So for each and every question, we have to do the analysis. In the sense, for any entrance examination, they will ask definitely the similar pattern questions. So this is a pattern. So pattern is what for monoatomic? The answer is what? 1.67. I don't want to give you the formula on how to do it and all. Okay, the formula is what? Gamma is equal to 1 plus 2 by F. Let me see whether I can write it here. This pen, it's not working. Let me see. Gamma is equal to 1 plus 2 by F. Let me check the pen here. Yeah. Gamma is equal to 1 plus 2 by F. F is nothing but degree of freedom. That is 1 plus 2 by 5. But again, it is an entrance examination. So I'll be sharing this table to you. Okay, I'll be sharing this table. So make sure that for diatomic, what is answer? 1.4. For monoatomic, it is 1.6. And we have to just mark up it. That's it. Better than this 1 plus 2 by F, this is best. Okay, correct. And diatomic at a high temperature. These are all exceptional. It will not be asked mostly. So just three values, 1.67, 1.4 and 1.33. So you have to just mark the closest one in this. Okay, the closest one in this is what? Let me stop the annotation. Yeah. It is, which is the option then? Oxygen. Is it 1.4, 1.67, 1.33, 1.28? Those who listen to the class, let me know. What is option? A, correct. 1.4 is the answer. Very good. Option A is the correct answer for this. From the table, and these things I'll be sharing. Once the class is over, I'll be sharing these tables. Okay. Yeah, so don't need to worry. So first one option is what? 1.7. 1.4. So then coming to the second question. For a particle executing simple harmonic motion at its mean position. So this is my class 11th. Okay. So once the class is over, I'll just come and I'll explain you the topic also. But again, I know most of you might have forgotten the class 11 portion. Everyone, 99% of students will forget. So there is nothing wrong. So in the sense, we have to use what? Elimination process. Okay, what is the process? Elimination process. So for a particle executing simple harmonic motion at its mean position, what is the velocity? Option A, velocity is 0, acceleration is maximum. Option B, I think everyone can see it, right? Tell me, you only tell me what is the correct answer. I need everyone. I need the 7 participants to give me the option, whether it is right or wrong. Any option you give it to me. Only one thing I have to again repeat. Whomever is giving me the maximum, like whomever is communicating with me in maximum in the chat, only those students marks are really high. Whether it is right or wrong, you just send it. You just focus on yourself and send me the option. Not in the WhatsApp chat, in the, yes, I think I got 3, 4 options I got. Okay, 3. Option Abhilash D, C, B. Everyone is different option. What about the remaining students? Hasini B. Okay. Anyone having, so I think B, C, I think then where is Charan? Charan has given me the answer. Anu, Nikhil, Prithvi, yeah, Prithvi has given Pranav and Pranav, Nikhil, Anu. I think Anu has given me D, B. Okay, fine. I think some students has just came now. Use your headset again. So guys, first thing is, yeah, I think getting the messages, Nikhil only. Yeah. See, for a particle executing simple harmonic motion, most of you might have forgotten the concept only. At its mean position, okay, velocity is 0, acceleration is maximum. Velocity is maximum, acceleration is 0. Both velocity and acceleration are maximum, both velocity and acceleration is 0. Okay, so the concept for this is, see, so what is the mean position? The pendulum is going right. Yes, correct or not? Hmm? The center. The center is nothing but what? The mean position. Correct? So, again here, why is the acceleration 0 at the mean position? Because displacement is 0. Acceleration 0, why? Because the displacement is 0. Okay. See, coming to this thing, we can see that velocity is 0 and acceleration is maximum. Velocity is maximum and acceleration is 0. See, when the pendulum is coming from here to here at the mean, the velocity is maximum actually. Correct. The velocity is maximum. So I can eliminate what? Option A. Velocity is option A and option D I can eliminate. Let me eliminate option A and option D. Option A and option D eliminated. Then both velocity and acceleration are maximum. See, again in this concept, displacement at the center. Whenever I'm calculating the displacement, for example, the pendulum going from this left or right, correct? Displacement is what? From the left extreme position to the right extreme position. That time, the displacement is maximum, right? Correct. So from where we are calculating the displacement, we are always calculating displacement from the center. Correct. So if it is mean position, that is only center. So what is displacement at mean? 0. So acceleration is what? 0. So option B is the answer. Option B is the answer. So velocity is maximum and acceleration is 0. So just see, there is something called alpha, acceleration is minus omega square y. How many of you remember this one? Let me just write here. Alpha is equal to minus omega square y. How many of you remember this? This alpha is something about acceleration and y is something about displacement. Displacement is 0 at the mean position. in the sense maximum displacement will be where from the left to the right if it is going. Correct? So normally we will be calculating what the displacement everything from the mean position center. Correct? And here center means mean position. Center is only mean. Okay, center is what? Mean position. So then what is our answer? 0. So option B. So let me see who has given me. Anu, Prithvi, Abhilash. Is it clear? See, the simple concept in this is, again, I'll just go to the concept also for this. If it is not clear, and let me just, again, I'll be sharing these documents and everything. Let me delete everything in this. Don't worry, next question will be easy, okay? See, again, if it is the highest, suppose we are in a swing. I think everyone knows what is a swing, right? Correct? At the extreme positions, correct? So when you're at the top left or top right, at extreme position, what is the velocity? 0. Then our gravity pulls you back. Meaning at extreme position, our acceleration will be maximum. So for this year paper, they might ask you what is the acceleration at the extreme position. Instead of mean, the questions what you should expect is what extreme position. So we have to analyze total questions. That's how we have to do it. Are you getting it or not? Yeah. So gravity pulls back. Where at the extreme left, you're in a swing at the extreme left or extreme right, what happens? The gravity pulls you back. Meaning is acceleration is maximum over there. At the lowest point, that is mean position, 0 acceleration. If you don't understand this thing, simple thing is displacement is calculated only at the center. In the sense, if you're at the mean position at the center, then 0. You're at the center only. From there only we are measuring everything. So displacement is 0. Minus omega square y, right? So those things and all there is in class level. Okay. But again, without those things also, if we think logically, we'll be able to get the correct answer. So that is the reason I have made sure what these things are there. So all of these documents I'll be sharing to you once the class is over. And still, if you don't understand, again I'll explain you in person. So that is not at all a big problem here. Because again at online sessions, we are not sure whether we'll be able to understand completely. Okay. Now let me give you something on class 12th. Yes, I think I got this thing. This is fine, I think so. 12th question. What kind of circuit is this? Can anyone tell me? 12th question. What kind of circuit is this? Let me see in the chat option. What kind of circuit is there in class, this 12th one? First time anyone is seeing the circuit, or have you seen this thing before? And again, I'm repeating, please make sure that you communicate with me well in the chat. Okay, then only we will be able to get more marks. Yeah, Charan, both series and parallel, but what kind of circuit is this? What is the name of the circuit? Current electricity. How many names you have studied? Wheatstone bridge. Let me type it here. Everyone forgot about Wheatstone bridge. This circuit is basically what? Wheatstone bridge. How many of you know how to calculate it? This, how many of you don't know how to do this problem? Let me know. Don't know. Question number 12. Okay, Nikhil. Yes. Those who know it, kindly send me the answer in WhatsApp. Pranav is little confused. Okay. Let me see. See, guys. Simple circuits only, everything. Okay. Let me just draw it for you. Then it will be very, very easy. I think if I can draw it here, let me check. Only thing is I want my pen to work. If it is not drawing, I'll just use my hand only. Okay. Check. So this is my resistance. This is one more resistance. This is my R. Four R's are there. Correct? Then what I'm doing? I'm connecting it to the other side. Other side, what is it? Two R's. And all of these things are what? 2R respectively. I'll change the color. Yeah, 2R. And here also it is 2R. 2R is here. 2R. So I hope you know, right? R plus R, 2R. 2R is in what? Parallel with this 2R. What is the answer? R. And what is the answer for this? 2R plus 2R, 4R. Parallel. So it is again what? 2R. R parallel to 2R. R parallel to R series with R parallel series with 2R. I think I'm getting some option. Option C. Let me check the option. Hmm. Yeah, I think I got one correct answer. Yeah, Charan correct. Pranav correct. Everyone understood the circuit, right? How to solve it? Then this R plus 2R, which is what? R plus 2R. If you are getting confused with this, don't need to worry. Once I'm down, I'll help you out again. But that time you have to ask me openly. Even if it is all the questions also, I will explain to you. That is not an issue. 3R. So the question here is what? The electric current. V is equal to IR. Draw triangle. V, I, R. So I is equal to V by R. So which is option? Option D. V naught by 3R. Let me check in WhatsApp how many of you sent me. I think Hasini has given me. Oh, yeah. Just one minute. Not clear also, let me know this one. Who is not clear with this? Please type in chat, not clear. Do not panic or worry. Once I'm down, I'll help you out. If it is not clear, please type it in chat, not clear. Okay. 1, 2. No need to worry. It's very easy. Once explained, it will be very, very easy. Oh, fine. I'll help you out once this thing is over. Okay. So let me just clear this thing. Fourth question. Yeah. Try doing the fourth question. I think it's too easy. Those who know it, let me know. A body of charge minus 3.2 microcoulomb, number of excess electrons. So again, draw a triangle Q, correct? N, E. Q is equal to Ne. They're asking what? Number of excess electrons. So N they're asking. So what is N is equal to Q by E? Q already they given. What is E value? What is mass of electron? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. This you have to remember. Mass of electron. Q is what? Minus 3.2 microcoulomb. So 3.2 into 10 power 3.3 into 10 power minus 6 divided by 1.9 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Or you can take 1.5 into 10 power minus 19 also you can type. Not an issue. So let me see what is the answer. Again, guys, don't take the exact number. 3.2, you can make it as 3. 1.6, you can take it as 1.5. Entrance, this is all about. Yes. Charan Hasini, I got the correct answer. Others? Nidhi, correct. It is just 3.3 by 1.5 if you do. Then see the option. 1.5 into 2 is 3. So option C. Is it clear? Everything is given in this question. For how many of you this question was new? Anu, Pranav, Nikhil, Abhi, Prithvi. Prithvi, I know you're not feeling well, but yeah, easy. Okay. Question was new or the formula was new, let me know the chat. Just to understand, okay? Just have to understand. That's the thing. Let me clear these things. Fourteenth one, textbook question. Alpha, temperature coefficient. Temperature coefficient of resistance is what? That is the question. And those who don't know how to do it, let me know. Because there are no resistance given, because again, temperature coefficient question, there will be resistance. Instead of that, they're given some slopes. So what is my resistance R1? What is another value of slope? What is slope? Tan theta, dy by dx, gradient, all are same. Correct? So what is my R1 value? Let me just write it down. What is R1? Let me just put the notation here. Yeah. What is R1? 1 by tan 45, 1 by slope. Correct? I think you know what is tan 45. That is 1 only. So 1. What about R2 slope? 1 by tan 30. 1 by tan 30, what is the value? Root 3. 1 by tan 30, root 3. Then what is the alpha formula? R2 minus R1 by R1 T2 minus R2 T1. What is alpha formula? Temperature coefficient? R2 minus R1 divided by, what is it? R1 T2 minus R2 T1. Substitute in this and let me know. R2 minus R1 by R1 T2 minus R2 T1. And suppose if the meeting is getting stopped, just again join the same link. Okay, yeah. I want everyone to do this and let me know the answer in my WhatsApp. Send the working out in my WhatsApp, I'll be checking it out. I think I'm getting some answer. Option B. One second. Hasni, let me know what is the answer you're getting. You can just make it as 7 into 10 power minus 3. Option B, if you want, you can make it as 7 into 10 power minus 3. That's it. Okay, 7 into 10 power minus 3 will be fine. So 3, 7 and 9. This is my 7. 7 into 10 power minus 3. Yes, I think you got correct. Can you just share me the working in my WhatsApp, Hasni? I have to just check it out. Perfect. Correct, Pranav. Pranav Hasni, correct. Yes. How many of you not getting it? Not getting it, just send me in chat option who's not getting how to do it. Abhi, Anu, Charan, Nidhi, Nikhil, Prithvi. If you're not getting, let me know. Okay. Nikhil, yeah. Nikhil, then Charan. What about yeah. Nikhil Charan? I just shared the images. Check it out. So Nidhi, I got the formula what you're using, but if you try that formula, were you getting the answer? Let me know. If you try that formula, will you be able to get the answer? That you won't be able to get it. So I'm just sharing Hasini's working to students who has not got. See, end of the day, answer is option A, 3 in 10 power minus 3. Okay, so still again, if you're having difficulty in working, once the session is over, I'll come and I'll help you out. Let me see now question number. Others, I didn't get any response. Let me go for yeah. 27th question. Go through it in 20 seconds and let me know the answer. 27 LCR. Communication, which is a concept used. If it is communication, again in this particular chapter, what is the concept used in this? Quality factor. I think everyone knows it. Q factor, right? What is quality factor? 1 by R root of L by C. 1 by R root of L by C. Use this option. Let me know the answer first. Substitute everything and let me know. If this meeting is ending, just again click the link and join back. That's it. Q factor is not deleted, it is there. Quality factor is not deleted. 1 by R root L by C. Kindly substitute in all the options and send me the working. Kindly substitute it with all the options, send me the working.